So I'm going to be doing some sprouted potato starts. Some white potatoes have sprouted and I'm going to go ahead and plant them. I'm going to be using some wheat straw, my milk crates that I have, and I'm going to go ahead and cut off the sprouted eyes that have developed on them and plant them into the straw inside of the milk crates. I saw this on another gardener's page, and I thought this would be perfect for what I need in the space I have and how I plan to grow them. Now, I have tried to grow potatoes in the past. Our first year here, I tried to grow white potatoes in a bag, and I put them by a tree, put it in a location where it would get sun, and it would have the green come up, and I'd cover it with dirt. But what happened is I went to dump it out and I found that it was full of a bunch of termites. So instead of growing potatoes, I grew a colony of termites, which the chickens love to eat. And we are in Tennessee. Termites is a thing here. They live here. But that didn't work out very well. And that really discouraged me from growing potatoes. So I've been trying to figure out a good way to grow potatoes in the future. I saw this and I was like, perfect. I have a bunch of milk crates and straw is relatively inexpensive, and I have a bunch of potatoes that have sprouted. So I went ahead and saved those potatoes, pulled out my milk crates, and bought some straw, and I'm going to go ahead and grow those now. So I'm crouching right now because I'm going to use this little, I don't know, it's like a rolly chair thing that we found on our property. I'm going to go ahead and use this to cut the sprouts off of potatoes, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing that. So like this one here had a bunch, and I don't know, I'm not going to be the best at cutting these. Like this one is really close, so I may not cut it there, but let's go ahead and get these cut. So like this right here, not the best knife, but it's what I had. Right there. And when I plant this, I'm going to put the straw in, and then I'm going to put it down like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut all of these off. That way I maximize my yield of potatoes. Actually, looking at this, you can even see some little leaves have started. Let's see if you can see that. I don't know if it's focusing. So just like that. Easy peasy. So now pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to put it in my milk crates here. Nothing super fancy. You can see here, just kind of lined it. And then I'm going to take a couple of potatoes. put them all around. And maybe something like that. We'll do that. We'll do about 5 of them spread out. And once I have it kind of placed down like that, I'm going to take a little bit more straw and just kind of cover them. And there you have it. Okay, so I have gone ahead and planted the potatoes here. And I have 2 different varieties. This is just like a white Idaho potato type, and then these were the red skin potatoes. And a lot of those had sprouted. So planted them in all of these. Milk crates. So here you have it. So instead of growing potatoes, I grew a colony of termites, which the chickens love to eat.